Hello, everyone. Welcome, my dear little friends. Let's learn animal names today. Let's go. Bear, bear, bear. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Dog, dog, dog. Cat, cat, cat. Cow, cow, cow. Horse, horse, horse. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Goat, goat, goat. Lion, lion, lion. Tiger, tiger, tiger. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Fox, fox, fox. Wolf, wolf, wolf. Deer, deer, deer. Panda, panda, panda. Duck, duck, duck. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Bird, bird, bird. Fish, fish, fish. Frog, frog, frog. Turtle, turtle, turtle. Great job! Repeat and practice every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow for more. Green, see you again.